It's like, okay, you want it your way, that's fine. I'll do it your way, but I'm also doing it my way.
Okay.
My way, it's like I say to folks, it's for ease of filing purposes only. This does not negate the claim. This does no impact on what's inside my case.
Wonderful.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, they hate that. Oh,
Right.
because it's true law. If this for ease of filing purposes only, this is not to negate the claim or any documents or evidence or testimony or affidavits attached within this case. But for ease of filing purposes, I'll be more than glad to file it any way you wish.
Right.
I'll use purple ink. Do you want green ink? You want purple ink? Whatever it takes to help me get back my kids. You know what? I don't want to mess up your machine.
That's right.
Let's keep this thing rolling.
Exactly. Well, that's exactly what we were thinking. We were just kind of
Yep.
wanted to make sure we were trying to tread lightly at this point. We don't want to traverse too deep into the corrupt world of the people in the black robes.
If they want all uppercase, all uppercase. If they want all lowercase, do not stress, because there's a lot of folks up there in Canada that believe that something magical power or control or authority over a human being has something to do with how they spell their name.
Right.
So the way I like to use examples, like, well, look at the guy Prince, the guy from Minnesota, Milwaukee, the singer guy.
Yes.
He got tired of being screwed around with his name. So what did he do? He put some chicken scratch symbol, and he said, hey, write the check out to this. Crazy chicken dance mark. I don't even remember what it looked like. I think it was upside down question mark or something like that. I don't really remember.
Like that, yeah.
And believe me, his check got cashed. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a symbol. It's just a hieroglyphic. Just because we spell it with, like my name is KRL, it's a hieroglyphic. It's just a symbol. It's just, okay. It's like, okay, that's my name. It's like, yeah, and so my name is just what I use for convenience to intercourse in commerce with those of the public, just like I use my car. It's just a tool. Yeah. It's just what I claim is proper to my person, my property, like my car is. But my car has nothing to do with me as the flesh and blood, nor does it have to do with my children, nor does my name. I'm making the claim in open court. Whether it's spelled, like I said, you can look at a lot of the United States Supreme Court rulings. I'm not sure how many folks you have up there in Canada, but there's a lot of cases where it's anonymous versus anonymous, or what's that famous Roe versus Wade, because the lady didn't want to use her name. She went under Roe. So the court couldn't possibly care less what the name is before them. They need to see a flesh and blood entity, or well, this is common law. This is if you choose to use common law. The court does see Coca-Cola and Pepsi, but that's in a different venue and a different style of law. All the court cares less is about, if in common law, is there's a man or woman who's stating a claim and under oath of affirmation, like swearing it on a Bible, pointing across the room and said, that person did me wrong. That's all the court cares about. They don't care what your name is. Your name could be John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt. They don't care.
Exactly.
They just need to know that some man or woman came into court and they pointed across the room and said, that man did me wrong. And his name would be Rumpelstiltskin. They don't care. They say, did you do him wrong? Yes. Okay, well, you're going to compensate him, or we're going to have to bring the sheriff's department down there to your property, and we're going to have to do a writ of attachment and drag your property out and hand it to this guy. How do you want to work this? It's like I'll willingly give the man compensation for the damages that are due, based on my wrong found by this, honorable jury in court.